News at 11.
It's video that's hard to watch, but it's why a Lee County family is now being investigated by DCF. New tonight, this is a baby, face up, struggling in a bathtub, gasping for air. You're watching NBC2 News at 11. I'm Brenna White.
And I'm Nate Foy. We're blurring the baby's face to protect their identity. The video itself is 2 years old, but it was just posted to social media and sent to NBC2. And now DCF and the Lee County Sheriff's Office are involved. Tonight,
NBC2's Victoria Reslow is live there with what we know about this case. Victoria?
The video is just coming to light now after being taken 2 years ago. The baby is fine, but the mother responsible could have all of her kids taken away. This frightening video shows a young child struggling in the water. The Facebook poster behind the clip claims the mother let her baby suffer because the baby's father wasn't giving the mother enough attention. A report from the Lee County Sheriff's Office shows a well-being check was done on the family today. And a DCF investigator recommended another family member take temporary custody of the 4 children, including the baby, while this is under investigation. The video of the baby is 2 years old, but it was just reported. I talked to someone from the FGCU counseling department who says it's unfortunately common for families to wait this long before reporting abuse.
Many times, family members protect situations of clear child abuse, oftentimes because they're very afraid of what's going to happen to the person who's committing the abuse. Other times it has to do with shame.
The expert I talked to added that there is often a misconception that children this young do not remember trauma like this, but research shows what that child felt and perceived was happening will stick with them for a long time. Now we are working to get in touch with that baby's family, and we'll update you as we learn more about this investigation. In Lee County tonight, Victoria Reslow, NBC2.